Standhardinger saying that he was pushed outside. They're not gonna get the basket. There's a block shot by Kontra. Yes, another block shot.
Ang inaabangan nating mga nagmamahal sa Pilipinas basketball, ang taktak.
Offensive sport! The energy flows! The team is on fire! The victory is coming! When it's bet, this is...
Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough dope in my psychic. You should have the same in the brain like me. If you wanna taste bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate bitch, you know where to find me. If you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah.
Play. So we're seeing a Canadian team that looks very...
They weave it over. Carl Bryan Cruz with a looper. That's good.
Masasabi ng positions.
Kung napansin nyo, 6-0 na dahil nagka-dead ball as Myers finally gets Philippines. It is Williamson getting it over to their big man.
He's 6 years old. Icons that time by Gilas. There's a foul. Yes, that's right. We are in the penalty. That's right.
Gaya-gaya sa
It's 10 minutes a quarter. And
support for the Ali.
Christian hitting it on that move, going towards his right side.
Attack once again. On the move.
Action
Nakita natin ito. Inabot sa likod itong si
for Canada because only penalty situation. Dakiwag. Those are the 5 not seeing action in this game. Who's Kobe Paraso still has to see action in this, representing the Philippines sa Southeast Asian Games.
Pogoy with a catch and shoot was clipped. 3 shots para tayo.
Team Philippines to get in the groove.
That's left wing, puts it on the deck, down the baseline, rifles it out, Pelo for 3, punches it through.
Right there by Canada.
Mauubusan na rin sila ng oras. Gilas, pinagsak Esten.
That's right, parang pumasok pa yun, but I guess that didn't count.
Ayun
Here's
na naman
the
yung
shot from the
balibag.
outside.
Gustong tumakbo. 2-on-1 the other way.
Oh, what a shot.
He's played for the under-16 team. He's played for the under-18 team. We've seen... Ooh, great stopping power. No other
The foul, give it a foul much earlier.
layup is delivered by Caitlin. Ball
The outside pass and the outside
in
shot.
a way, average position. Pero si Ravena, airball yung tira. Nandun sa ilalim.
Ray Parks, huh?
Ang tanong lang, Entic
Brother plays also in the Canadian League.
CBC misses. Pogoy boards it. High off the glass. Napakapin na. Nag-gamble si Pogoy. Nag-capitalize naman doon sa kabila.
Sean Reyes was experimenting with a lot of different concepts.
As a steal is taken away here by Parks. And he goes low to ball. Puts it on the deck. Myers almost lost his footing. Had to adjust. Gets his own rebound. And flushes dito kay Ray Ray. 8 pa rin ang inahabol ng Gilas. Make that 10-1. Pupunta na naman sa kanya. Top of the key 3. That's good. To Ray Ray on the run. Parks down the middle. Finishes off the glass. Greater shot. Kiefer goes to the wing. Here comes Cruz. Carl.
Very accurate from the outside.
Haywood off the crossover. Binawi din niya.
Strong to the basket.
Pick and roll with Kiefer. Ayun, nakita siya.
His work ethic. But I just don't feel he's even if they're playing big, Magu, para nakikita natin dito.
Canada on the attack.
Countries. And he's 29 years old. Joseph's in Philadelphia.
Side powers up. Hule from behind. Up and under. Kiefer could not deliver. Ray Ray underneath cleans it up. Bello to the corner. Right. Bang!
Philippines needs to push it up.
Ferrer down the middle. Stretches for the finger roll. Third.
No high pick. It's just a one-on-one action here. And he scores. And from the right hand.
Williamson. Here comes Gio to right. Bang! Actually, a relatively small lineup para sa Gilas. And yun on the move. Williamson from the left side. Down the middle. Took the contact. Williamson balik sa 10 ang kanilang abante rito.
He throws against only 9.
Foul there by Bello. Here comes Team Canada once again. Romeo is thinking, sana nakatapat niya si King handles.
34-33. It's really the field
Pace, they go to the big man underneath. Christian makes his move. All 6'8" basketball. What would be your grade?
Upside, no? But in this particular game, he lost the ball.
Pero he is only 19. But that action will continue. Three-pointer is delivered. There was clear. Ayan yun. Umaming kasi kagad. Napakalalim na hukay na. Canada on the move. Looking to put it away. Standhardinger from Ravenna.
Kulang na kulang tayo sa... There's a block shot by Gob. Yes, another block shot!
Great gesture of sportsmanship.
Trade ng Pure Foods sa Rain or Shine Elasto Painters ang kanilang two-time MVP at franchise.
Right with him. Lead to the spin and up and under. Go! Here's Yap. Puts it up for the tie.
Yes,
Go!
sir.
18 for the game. Has to put it up. Ian. No! And Ring.
Sinasabi natin yung elevation talaga ni Christmas combined with the lefty.
He gives it up to Christmas this time.
Trend is so bad. We're talking about that and Christmas. Championship stamp under his belt, and he knows how to preserve a victory. And he there's a lot of jumping the block. The final block. There's an interception. Gary David, yes sir! Gary David ties the gun, straight but short. Gary for three, yes sir! Gotta walk on the floor. Lassiter, he fires. He shoots, he scores!
But they believed in themselves. The team that a lot of people...
Jones as he was on the way up.
Tinakbo na lang ni Calvin. Trying to make up for lost time here. Nagnitis ka lang si Charles Lowe. Big Bo making sure. Over the full head of steam. Sumalbog lang palabas yung tira na yun. Kapag not trying to...